Over the years, the Atlona product management team have created many great product families for Atlona. Today, we've taken some of the best features from those families and combined them into one new family that we call Omega. Omega features transmitters, receivers, switchers, and matrix switchers, along with some new updated technology to make a best-in-class circuit-based solution from Atlona. There are so many powerful and unique features that make the Omega line really stand out. Let's talk about a few of those right now. The first is simple operation, or the ability to configure Omega products with basically no buttons for an end user to have to press. This is done by using features called automatic display control, or ADC, and automatic input selection, or AIS. Automatic display control is a feature that allows the switch to automatically fire a command to the display, turning it on simply by sensing the live input from a user. An automatic input selection is a feature that allows the switch to automatically change inputs based on the next device that gets connected. Now, these are two features that are universal across the Omega line, making for an easy installation and, even more important, easy operation by the end user. Universal connectivity is so important in the modern AV space today, and this is exactly why the Omega line was designed with all the latest and greatest inputs and outputs. Ports such as HDMI, USB, DisplayPort, HDBaset, and in some products, wireless. All the other electronics in the market today that feature these same technologies will be universally compatible with the products in the Omega line. Makes it very powerful and very universal and easy for end users to work with. Additionally, all of these ports are incredibly important and relevant to the way that our customers and we all communicate and do business today. You wouldn't expect to walk into a conference room and look for a VGA connection. You'd want to find modern and relevant connections for the technology and the way our customers communicate with each other in modern AV environments today, and that's the Omega line. The Omega product family also features HDBaset built throughout the entire line. HDBaset is unique and powerful because it allows us to transmit several different signal types over a single category cable. We have the ability to transmit audio, video, control, Ethernet, power, and bidirectional USB all over a single category cable. This makes for an easy and very neat and simple installation. It also allows us to extend the signal much greater distances than we could using conventional cable. HDBaset also allows us to transmit 4K. So for customers who come in with the most modern equipment and want to be able to present 4K, they can easily do that over the HDBaset connection. Video conferencing is one of the most important applications in modern AV settings today, and this is why the Omega line was designed with specific features to make it useful for unified communication and collaboration environments. Features like universal connectivity and USB to connect to all your peripherals in the room, plus the ability to work with all the most relevant software communication tools today, such as Zoom, Skype, Microsoft Teams, WebEx, BlueJeans, GoToMeeting, and more. Whatever your application is, small huddle spaces, small conference room, larger video conference applications, or even large education environments with video conferencing involved, the Omega line has you covered. Compact design and ease of installation are two adjectives that can be used to describe products in the Omega line. Many of those Omega products are designed to fit on top of a conference table, under a table, installed in a lectern, behind a flat panel display, in the ceiling by a projector, or simply mounted into an AV rack. All of the Omega products ship with the hardware in the box for all of these unique installations. Omega products are easy to install and make for a neat installation for your customers' modern AV environments. All the products in the Omega line also feature compatibility for 4K applications. Local ports for HDMI and USB-C are fully 4K ready, featuring support for 4K, UHD at 60 Hz with 444 chroma subsampling, and HDBaset inputs and outputs will support compatibility for 4K at 60 Hz, 420 chroma subsampling. And those products in the Omega line that offer scaling on the HDMI outputs will also support scaling from 1080p up to 4K and from 4K down to 1080p, making the Omega line the complete solution for all of your conference applications. And finally, the Omega line is cost effective. We make products in the Omega line for all kinds of applications, small huddle spaces to large education environments and everything in between. There's a price point and a feature set in the Omega line for your application. To learn more about the Omega products, visit us online at Atlona.com or check out the rest of our educational videos on each of the products in the line. We always feature videos that talk about the application of the product, describe what it is, and we also feature videos that get technical, setting up the product, making all the connections, and going through the web GUI interface. Check those out online, and if you have any questions, reach out to the training team. You can catch us at training@Atlona.com, and you can visit our website at Atlona.com anytime.